Toastmaster Anirudh. Toastmaster Anirudh.
I do. Toastmaster Purnima, when he asked who had a life story, I had a life story as well. But I was too embarrassed to raise my hand. So I decided to spend the next 3 minutes on stage talking about how I had a similar story as well. I was able to relate to your pain point of wanting to have long hair. Even I wanted to have long hair, grow a funk and all that. I found your speech to be very entertaining and very enjoyable. I was able to enjoy all the jokes that were started throughout the speech, and I felt you were an extraordinary humorous speaker. Recently, yesterday evening, when I opened my smart TV, I saw Jailer. Oh, finally Jailer has come to OTT, and yesterday evening I wasted watching that movie. In that, what did they have? Tamil hero, then one Kannada hero, then one Malayali hero. Like that, you had three parts to your speech, where you were not looking for Tamil guys, then you were looking for Kerala guys, Andhra guys, finally you had to settle for a Tamil guy. I felt that your story had structure where you broke down the speech into 3 parts. You had a lot of humorous anecdotes in your speech, where you were the budget constraint, leave letter or love letter, no chat GPT or Grammarly. You were a very witty speaker, and I enjoyed all the jokes, the curd rights reference and all those things. You were also lacking inhibition on the stage. You were willing to dance on the stage, and I absolutely enjoyed that. So I think a very entertaining, a very humorous speech, and I absolutely enjoyed this. But then I got about thinking, how can one make this speech even better? What an extraordinary speech. Is there something at all that can be done? One is, when I went in my 8th standard, I went and watched a movie. When I came back, I enjoyed the full movie, but I don't agree with the title of the movie. The movie's name was Autograph. I felt it should have been autobiography, because an autograph, I think, means something else. In your conclusion, when you were referenced, what was the most important aspect of Chandrayaan 3? The landing. Similarly, in your conclusion, when you were saying autograph, I could not fully relate to whether it was an autograph or an autobiography. So if in your speech title, if you had something like Funsuk, Mongdu, Kosasaki, Pasapugal, where the main character in 3 Idiots is revealed to be a Tamil hero, I think it would have been a little more relatable. Also, being a very humorous speech, I thought you deserved a lot more applause in the audience. I was laughing. That got me thinking, how can one evoke even more laughter? My thought on this is that to make the audience laugh harder, maybe the tone in your speech can be changed a little. It can be more direct and addressing the audience. Instead of taking a very higher tone, you can take a lower tone across your speech, so there will be a lot more connect, and maybe the audience might laugh harder. To summarize, I think you are a very extraordinary, entertaining, humorous speaker. If you can take these 2 points of changing the speech title and lowering your tone of the speech, I think the speech will be even more extraordinary. All the best for your future speeches. Thanks, and with that, back to Shruti.
Thank you.